Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start ASTM ASME materials. The first material specification is SA283. SA283 is a specification for low and intermediate tensile strength carbon steel plates. SA283. M is metric system. This is identical with ASTM specification ASTM A283. The meaning of identification identical is it is exactly same. Nothing changes. It is not similar. It is identical. Identical means 100% same. This is actually the scope. The specification covers four grades A, B, C, and D for carbon steel plates of structural quality for general application. See, this is very important. Although it is structural quality, general application material, but it is also used in some pressure vessels of low and intermediate pressure application. This A283 material, or you can say SA283 material, grade C, are used in storage tanks also. API 650 recognize this material, but recognize only grade C. And there is thickness limit also in API 650 up to only 25 millimeter thick plate we can use. Maximum thickness limit is 25 millimeter for grade C. Other grade we cannot use. Same with pressure vessel, only grade C is allowed to use. Then reference document, it only refer to one document, that is ASTM A6 specification for general requirement for rolled structural steel bars, plates, shapes and sheet pilings. This ASTM A6 is not any material, it is just a specification for general requirement for some materials. Then regarding steel making process, the steel shall be made by one or more of the following process. There are three processes. One is open hearth, second basic oxygen, and third one is electric furnace. To know detail about this, please comment below. I can make another video, separate video, because this is entirely a separate subject. Will not mix up in this, otherwise our video will be big one. Then we'll go to chemical requirement. This is talking about heat analysis. Heat analysis shall conform to the requirement of table 1. We'll go to table 1. Here is the table 1, chemical requirement, heat analysis, not product analysis, heat analysis only. Only few elements are there in this material: carbon, manganese, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, and copper. You can see there are four grades: grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D. Carbon increases as we go from grade A to D. See, carbon 0.14 in grade A, whereas in grade D it is 0.27. Grade C is little less, 0.24. Grade B it is 0.17. All other elements are same. These all other elements are same for the all the grades. Only change is the carbon content. Very important table. You don't have to remember anything in this. You should know it is in the table 1 of SA 283. Then what about product analysis? The steel shall conform on product analysis to the requirement of same table 1, just now we seen for the heat analysis, subject to the product analysis tolerance in specification A6. The meaning, product analysis, we can use the same table, same this table 1, but the tolerances are given in specification A6. So we'll go to ASME A6, SA A6. SA6, it is not any material, but it is standard specification for general requirement for rolled structural steel bars, plates, shapes, and sheet pilings. Product analysis tolerances in table A, that is table A is permitted variations in product analysis. For example, you take carbon, suppose carbon 0.27 fall in this line, second line 0.152, 0.40, 0.27. If we consider 0.27, the minus tolerance is 0.03 and plus tolerance is 0.04. This is how we should read this. And all other elements are not in this SA A283 material. These are in some other material. This is applicable for lot of other material also that you can see here. This is applicable for all these materials. SA36, 131, 242, A283, which we are doing it now. 514 also, etc. Now we'll go to the tensile requirement. Material as represented by the test specimens shall conform to the requirement as to tensile properties prescribed in table 2. We'll go to table 2, tensile test requirements. This A here is a note A. Here there is a B, this is note B. These are grade A, B, C, D, 4 grades. And here first row is tensile strength in KSI. KSI is what? It is US customary unit. They use FPS system, foot pound second. And we use MPa system, that is SI units, that is MKS. Second one is yield point, then elongation in 8 inch and 2 inch. We'll see the tensile strength increases as the grade increases. See this? The grade increases. Yield point also same. Elongation also. Elongation actually decreases. For A grade it is 27, whereas B it is 25, C it is 22, and D it is 20. There is one material, EN material, which is equivalent to this SA283 grade C, is EN 10025-2 grade 235JR. This is nearly equivalent to grade C. If you want to know more about this EN material, please comment below so that I can make a separate video for this. That's it. I think this is the smallest specification in ASTM ASME, but we have got some supplementary requirements also for this specification. What is supplementary requirement? Supplementary requirement shall not apply unless specified in the purchase order or the contract. Standardized supplementary requirement for use at the option of the purchaser are listed in the specification A6, but those that are considered suitable for use with this specification, that is SA283, these following listed we can use. If purchaser required, he can request manufacturer that he want a product analysis, EWST, maybe impact test, maybe drop weight test, ultrasonic examination test for the lamination check, reduction of area during tensile test, and limitation on rimmed or capped steel, etc. Among this, product analysis usually purchaser ask, PWST and V notch toughness, no one asks on this material. Ultrasonic examination, some purchaser may ask because to know whether the material is sound, there are no lamination or any other defect. Yeah. I'm sharing this specifications PDF in the description below for your use. And if you find my videos content are useful, please like, subscribe my videos and share among your friends. Thank you very much.